Today I'm going to teach you a simple knitting increase. You definitely want to know at least one kind because eventually knitting nothing except for flat rectangular objects is going to get kind of boring. I'm demonstrating this on the same football pattern as what I mentioned in my joining in the round video, so you can head over and check that out if you want to know what this is all about. Don't let it freak you out though. It does not have to be in the round for this method. According to this pattern, what I need to do is knit 1 and then KFB. So there's 1 and then we KFB. What that means is you knit into the front of the stitch just like normal, but instead of slipping this off the end of that needle right away, you want to bring a little bit more slack to that stitch that you worked. Come around to the back and knit through the back loop, which all that means is instead of the front of the loop like normal, you work through the back of the loop. A little bit differently, it's kind of purlwise. Then you wrap the yarn around, pull it through very carefully. Sometimes it can be kind of tight. I always use my thumbnails to pull it down so I don't lose it. Then you slide it off, and then see, instead of the 2 stitches we started with, we have 3. And this extra increased stitch has a bit of a purl bump on it, and that's why this is also sometimes called the bar increase, because of that little bar. I'm going to do that a few more times so you can see it. Knit front, and back. Okay, I want to make sure you can really see this. So here's the stitch we're going to KFB into. So we'll knit front, then swing this needle around to the back, knit into the back leg of that same stitch, pull it through, and that's a KFB. Alright, so there I knit into the front of it like normal. I like to give it a little more slack so I can bring it around easier than if it was so tight. We'll go into the back leg of that, wrap that yarn around. I generally will grab that with my thumbnail because if I don't, sometimes it's hard to get it to pull through without popping off the end of this right needle. So I hold it in place with my thumbnail. I know that makes it hard to see, but it really helps to get a grip on it. And then see it trying to slide off, so I'm going to just make sure I catch that whole strand of yarn before I take it out. If you want to follow along with the creation of this football, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. I'll be adding all of the videos of techniques used in the pattern to this playlist over here somewhere, so go check it out.